Hi everybody, welcome back to Prestwick Model Railway. It's been ages since I've been in here. Just over summertime I haven't been in here a lot. But I suppose that's summer for you, even though it wasn't very nice, but there you go. So we're back for a bit of winter modelling. What have we done since the last time? I've got both lights in. The one heading south, the one heading north, and a bit of trunking in there with exposed bits of wires. And also a bit of grass on both sides. Make it a wee bit more real looking. So yeah, both lights in, fixed, bit of trunking, grass at both sides, and I had a go at making the bridge. Bits of polystyrene, scratch built, because it'd be probably virtually impossible to get this bridge the same as it is in real life. Just a few bits of polystyrene. It's bits like that for the walls, and then a couple of bits of Will's kit card, and these actually came in sticker form, so you could just wrap them round a few times and stick them into place. But that's as close as I could get to the real thing there. This was an envelope borrowed off the missus, well, borrowed, she'll never get it back, for the sandstone colour. Stuck into place. Took a while to build, but it's as close as I could get. What did I use for? Where are we? A bit of a mess here at the moment. Anyway, that's by the by. It was oh, there it's Prestwick. Just to glue the bits of envelope and paper and stuff on. Works a treat because you don't want glue coming through the paper. So yeah, stuck it on nice and proper. So next job will be all the banking area here that joins onto the road here where they walk their dogs and leading into the golf course area. So I'll be trying to do that today. Make a short video just before I put the paper mache on. So this is it here. Very fine chicken wire. Not big holes on it so that the paper mache just lays smooth across it. Bits of polystyrene cut into place, and then the mesh all over it. So I'll be putting the paper mache all over this and then putting it into place here. So that will be in the next video. I'll show you how that looks if it goes at all to plan. And this is just fixed into place with about 100 little track pins. So like I say, I'm going to paper mache that up this morning, wait for it to dry, and then pop it in here and we'll see how that looks. So, from Prestwick, thanks again on part 11. Speak to you soon.